Tonight on 2 News at 10, we have team coverage on Tulsa safety after recent violence downtown. From the Blue Dome District shooting in May to the Juneteenth shooting just weeks ago, these incidents are raising questions of public safety. In the Greenwood District tonight, stakeholders are urging the development of a plan to protect people during community events. And authorities are working to address the problem with a new curfew for teenagers and went into place this weekend. Our 2 News anchors Christine Stanwood and TJ Eckert dive into the details and how the change affected traffic downtown and how local business owners feel about the changes. But first tonight, new charges against the young man accused of shooting into a crowd in May. Thanks for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Brody Myers. I was the only reporter in the courtroom as police officers took the stand and recounted what they saw on that chaotic night.
2 News Oklahoma starts right now.
A young man possibly involved in that loud, chaotic scene showed up in a quiet, orderly court Tuesday. 2 News is not naming the suspect because of his youthful offender status. Tulsa police suspect him of shooting in a crowd during a melee in the early morning hours of May 4th. Officer Wesley Caldwell testified, saying he shot the suspect just seconds after the gunfire. 5 members of TPD gave their testimony today, and all agreed the young man sitting in the courtroom was the one who shot at the crowd. Police say after officers shot the suspect, he was transferred to St. Francis, where detectives questioned him. Detectives say the suspect admitted to the shooting and said the fight stemmed from a murder tied to McLean High School. The suspect told detectives he was acting in self-defense.
It's juvenile proceeding at this point. Until something changes on that, no comment.
That's Brian Boeheim, the defense attorney representing the suspect. Now, technically, this is a youthful offender case, but these pen and paper notes were the only thing I was allowed to record inside the courtroom. Our cameras were not allowed anywhere near it.
Just unfortunate because I had no idea, you know what I mean, that it was anything that serious. Because I was just like laying in bed. We were going to go out, you know, like literally right here.
That's Reese Wright, with whom 2 News reporter Clifton Haskins spoke just hours after the shooting. She saw the aftermath of the scene, just like a few TPD officers who were called out to the scene after gunfire erupted. Some of those officers testified today, all accusing the suspect of the crime. Though the defense is arguing those officers did not witness the shooting firsthand. The suspect faces 2 charges of assault and battery with a deadly weapon and 1 count of shooting with intent to kill. He is currently bound to a wheelchair. It's unclear if that'll be the case forever. He's set for arraignment on July 10th. Meanwhile, 2 News is working to obtain the body cam footage from the officer who says he shot the suspect.